What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2025 Range Rover Full Size. All right, let's start off in the front here by looking at some of the features it has here. Like, they got these beautiful headlights, got some fog lights at the bottom, and of course we can start with the sensor. You can see right there we got one, two, three, four, five, six sensors. Of course, we have more sensors on this car, and of course, we have a camera right there for all our front, view action. Right. All right, cool. These now here we also have the wipers, the headlight washers. Right, not wipers, headlight washers. The headlight washers for these cars, because of course these cars are German made, and it's always good based on the winter time that you have some, headlight washers on it. All right, we got the 275 60 21 tires. It's 275 50, I'm sorry, 50, 21-inch tires, right? So these are 21-inch wheels. And we're just going to be doing a quick walk around today on this Range Rover. No, not much. Beautiful machine. All right, let's take a quick walk around and see what it has to offer. Now, beautiful black color, $130,000, $34,000 on this particular car. Backup cameras. Of course, it has a digital mirror. I'll show you that on the inside. But if you look up here, that's our antenna, for your radio. And it's also the other one on the right side serves as your backup camera, also your digital backup camera. All right, let's take a quick walk around, continue. Take a quick look at this magnificent beauty. Have the height adjustment also. And yeah, this one is also loaded with a lot of the camera feature under each one of the mirror. Just doing a quick walk around, taking a quick look at it. All right, let's go on the inside. Let's go ahead and start from the door panel. Check that out. Nice and beautiful. Front, rear, back, forward, right? So you can see it's got some front action, back action, and of course same thing, forward and backwards right there. All right, let's take a quick look at the side. Now this is similar to the Range Rover Sport. Of course, this is probably, you would say, the young brother or the older brother of the Range Rover Sport. But as you can see, everything is digital. Lights disappear, and you could look over here and see the digital screen right here. Of course, you got glove box, two glove box right there, and we have the digital screen. Of course, let's start the engine. Now the engine is running. Let's turn the volume down. This that beep, so you can see all the digital display right there. All the buttons are back once the car is running, and we can control the height here, air condition, heated seats, see it? Heated seats, cool seats, all of that feature. We got storage down here, we got charger port right there. We can close that area also. There we go. We have more storage here at the bottom, and of course you got a charger right there, and there you go. And then here we got the heated and cool box, and of course we do have the beautiful charging pad. Now, charging pad is right here where you can charge your cell phone. All right, now look at this beautiful leather. Check out the color. That's nice and beautiful. Of course, you got this nice armrest, make your passengers more comfortable. Of course, the driver have one also. And then you can see back there, and then up top we do have our sliding panoramic right there. Stop it now. And then here is our let's jump outside and see what the passengers in the rear would see. Beautiful, simple, nice. And of course you can see, take a quick look at the cockpit from here. How magnificent that is. Let's open that up and take a quick look, see what they have to offer here. What I like about Range Rover, There's always a spare tire somewhere. There it is. You get a nice red one. And then we have seat controls also to lower the seats from here. So it'll make it easy. So you don't have to push down, and that's for the one on the right. Nice. Now to close this area, you don't need to close that one first. You could just go ahead and push this one, and then the car will understand that it's both of them, and you'll close the bottom one before the top one. All right, that's all I have for you on this Range Rover, full-size Range Rover. All right, cool. That's unique where they put the keys right there. That's the manual key just in case these digital power don't work. All right, peace and love. Talk to you in the next one.